This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're still at the motor show in Bangkok, and this is MG IM6. I heard that it's supposed to come to Europe. I haven't seen it. I didn't know it was supposed to come to Europe. Okay, if it's true, then this would be a quite nice first impression of what's coming soon. So it's in the IM brand, but they're gonna brand it as MG, but you will see the MG badge in the back. So IM6, I think it has air suspension even. It's like an X-Bank G6 competitor or a Model Y competitor, right? So I will check more there, but you see there are buttons here to lower the suspension. He's trying to press it now, but I'm not sure why it's not working. We have a 12-volt outlet in the back. We have some stuff here we can take out. I don't know if the table comes with the car or not. Here also some kind of lunchbox. But this is a bit weird. We take out the lid. We have electronics in the back. I think this is the dual motor. It comes in the rear drive and the all-wheel drive. So yeah, if you want to service the car, it's quite easy. No, I think it might not supposed to be like this. I think you're supposed to only be able to open the front more like this, right? Yeah, I think that's it. But we have securing hooks there, all four corners. It seems to be a subwoofer there. And then let me see, can I press this button here? Will it lower it? Let me check now. Okay, I'm not sure. Yeah, but I'll show you guys in the back. The back is where it happens, because we have some quite awesome comfort in the seat. They are nice and soft. I'll show you here, if we get in here. Okay headroom, because the panorama glass goes all the way here. So you can actually utilize the headroom here. So you have more than fist headroom, 173 centimeters. And then even the middle seat is okay. Right? But I can show you that you can recline. So if you go in the most upright position, it locks there, but then you can just recline it. And in the most reclined position, you have excellent comfort. What is this MG? And this is also weird. There's like a magnetic holder with some kind of light or something, huh? Also here you have a mirror. What is the purpose of this? We have double glazed glass in the rear, but also in the front, so this should be good soundproofing. This seems to be some kind of, I don't know, maybe a key card. And here's the front. We have electric adjustable seats. We have the bedcrumb collector. And then here we have incredibly nice and they did put on the seat heat or something. Okay, but this is weird because we have a screen here, also a screen here. This is also touch screen, you see. But also a screen here where you have lots of settings. So this is something I don't like, that you have stuff that low. I prefer to have it higher up, closer to the vision here. But yeah, also here, okay, wireless charging pad, but wireless. What is this? Is it a power bank? There seems to be like a wireless charging thing that for, okay, whatever. Wait, is there some kind of massage going on right now? Okay, but here, also center console with USB here, yeah. And then it seems like here you can open for the air, AC to cool down this center. And then we have these pillows here. Wow, what the heck, man? Look here, okay. Yeah, okay, also on this side. Headroom, wow, plenty of headroom here because of the glass roof here. And also I like it that the glass roof extends all the way here. It doesn't stop here or here, or, you know, like some other cars. It seems to be nice soft materials here when you touch. What about the front? Wait, oh, it has a little front. Oh yeah, this is the way to go, yeah. But then why do we have a lid and another lid? I don't know. Maybe you just want to have a clean look like this. I would just, if I bought this car, I would just rip this off. Yeah. You see, it has the MG logo in the back. And here we have the IM thingy, but that's the button to open the trunk, huh? It's quite hidden. If you don't know where it is, then you don't know how to open the trunk, right? Interesting. But the back, yeah, I wish I could turn on the lights, but you see, it has this back end here. where have I seen this before? It seems like there's a continuous red LED in the back there. Most cars nowadays, they have this continuous red, but this is like this. Wow. Okay, can't wait to see it in Norway. Just gonna show you guys. Wait, is the charge port here? This seems to be the charge port, right? Okay, I think I broke something, but it's probably there, the charge port. So, what guys think? It looks like a Model Y or a G6, right? Yeah, IM6. Can't wait to see it in Norway eventually, if it comes there or not. I wonder why I haven't heard about this yet. But okay, that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.